Would you rather a wither's sword or club?
I'd rather a wither sword.
You got the better item.
31 damage.
That thing's nice. Would you rather obsidian armor or would you rather diamond armor?
Easily obsidian armor.
Oh,
Oh, why is it so bad even though it's obsidian?
look what you missed out on, bro. Wait, you look like you're like an obsidian block.
I look tough.
Would you rather a baked potato or would you rather an apple?
Give me a baked potato. Diamond apples. Let's go.
Would you rather fight Godzilla or would you rather fight Notch?
Give me Godzilla.
You have to
Oh,
fight 16
crap.
Godzillas. Are you ready for your fight?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Wait.
Oh!